Dahil dito, the President threatened to suspend the writ of habeas corpus.
Well, siguro by now, we just have to, by now, we have to, already, the President, dapat kilala na natin siya, no? There are things that he says just to emphasize a point that natin hindi siya seryoso. I don't think he's really serious in that remark. But probably he was just siguro stressing a point or hindi naman yan siguro minsan nainis, no? But I don't think being very smart and wily, I don't think he's serious, no?
Do you think there's a basis for the President to suspend the writ of habeas corpus? The whole country?
Siguro wala namang ano ngayon eh. We are in normal times, perfectly normal times. Government is functioning, wala namang threat, so I don't think he will be that serious in really suspending the writ of habeas corpus. Siguro ano na lang yan, he was just trying to, dapat kilala natin si Presidente ngayon, no? There are times that you should not take it seriously. Nag-emphasize lang yan siguro.